John's Boat Company will make your sea vacation unforgettable. Hey!
I'm the one who's unforgettable here. Hey!
Move! And who are you supposed to be anyway?
Who am I? I'm Maui, the coolest demigod in the whole world. Hey!
No, it's my time to shine.
Guys, stop it! We're shooting a commercial here!
Oh, there you are! Sorry about that. Our boat broke down, and we can't get home without it. Why are you behaving like that? It's not nice.
I hear you need a boat. Fill out this waiting form, please. And we'll call you back within 3 to 6 months.
Wait, Sammy, we really need customers! Besides, how can we stay away when someone needs our help?
Okay, but I still don't like this guy.
Why? What did I do to you? I'm a very nice demigod.
Okay, let's get started, shall we? What kind of boat are you looking for? A motorboat? A jet ski? Maybe a fishing boat, huh?
I don't know, actually. What do you say? Tough choice.
You know, I was hoping for something like this!
What? Do you have any idea how much this boat is gonna cost? Oh my tibidaba! Are you out of your mind? We will go bankrupt, Sue!
Sammy, breathe! Moana and I have already decided what kind of boat we will make. And we already have all the materials we need.
Phew. What a relief!
Oh, what a bummer. Oh well.
First, we need to draw the bottom of the boat. It will give us an idea of its size. Now, we need to carefully cut it out.
Don't forget about the side pieces, Sue!
Sammy, I know. Here, zero waste production.
Sweet. Now we can get to my favorite part, drawing.
You better leave it to me.
Hey, give it back. It's mine. I'm telling you.
Guys, stop arguing. Moana and I will do it anyway. We need to give it a wooden texture.
Wow, you're doing great, Sue, but I came up with something too. This is gonna be a blast! Voila! Do you like it, Sue?
Oh, it's a turtle. Great. I also want to decorate this side. Give me a second.
You'd better draw lines to make the boat sail fast.
Arrows are better.
No, lines are cooler.
I said arrows. Sue, draw arrows.
This will never end. I'd better just do it myself. Here it goes.
Lines!
Arrows.
Lines!
Hey, look at that. Moana did great.
I will also add a beautiful spiral over here. And done! I really like how it turned out. Now all that's left is to make the same patterns on the other side of the boat.
Don't you worry, Susie. It's already done. You know you can count on me. Come on, let's put it all together already. Hey, I don't get it. I thought these parts would fit. What's wrong?
Nothing's wrong, Sammy. There's just a little trick here.
What trick?
To make these pieces bendy, we need to make little notches like this. Just don't cut the cardboard all the way through. Now, check this out. Thanks to this trick, everything will stick together just right. Sammy, are you still here?
Yes! I worked up the other part of the boat. Now I'm gonna show this Maui guy who's the coolest here.
Huh, I guess I'm going to handle this craft on my own.
Hey, big guy, let's bury the hatchet. Here's your boat. You can go home now.
Wow, thanks so much. I guess we agree that I'm the coolest one here.
Yeah, sure. You wish.
Moana, where are you? Let's go home.
Okay, the first part of our boat is ready.
This boat is really cool, but I'm way much cooler.
Hey, wait, where are you going?
I had nothing to do with that.
Oh, so we can just sail away on this boat? Maui, move! Let me stand here too!
Ouch!
I'm sorry, guys, but it's not big enough for two. You're gonna have to be patient. Sammy, can you help me? Please, get me some popsicle sticks. I need them to build the deck.
Ma'am? Yes, ma'am! I'm on it! So good! Sue, I'm coming! Here you go! 3 wooden sticks! I couldn't eat more popsicles!
Thanks. Actually, I meant the sticks from the craft supply store.
What? You could have just said so! Ugh.
Sorry, Sammy. I thought you knew. Anyway, let's get on with the deck assembly. All right, this is how it's done.
I never thought we could use popsicle sticks to build a boat!
Now you know. Next, I'll use another type of wooden sticks to hold everything together. Here it goes.
Whoa! Check me out, guys. I can climb the rope. Maui is the coolest again, huh?
Just what I need.
Whoa, what's going on?
Huh? What was that sound? Meh, whatever. I'll just keep going. We need to bind these sticks together to form a frame. Now, we're just attaching the deck here, and that's it.
Right, that's it. We have to decide who's cooler. How can we do that?
There's only one way to resolve this, Maui. A swimming competition!
Yeah, let's do this.
What the? What are you two doing back there?
I was first! I won!
No, I was first, so I won.
You wish!
You are both disqualified. Get back to the craft, now!
Okay. I'm on my way.
I'm right behind you.
Oh, somebody left a really cool pool here? Awesome.
No, what are you doing? That's for our competition. We need to take everything out of it. Stat!
Sammy, come on. I need these sticks to soak. It's for the craft.
But, aren't we building a boat? Shouldn't it be dry?
Not in this case. The water softens the sticks and I can shape them. See? Like that.
You never cease to amaze me, Sue. Really, just don't put our pool away. We will need it later.
Okay, Sammy, I won't.
So where do you need me? I'm ready to help.
Thanks for bringing these. You're really good at anticipating the props we need next. This will reinforce our craft.
Whoa! Can't wait to see the final result.
Yeah, me too.
I hope we're gonna finish soon. I am too excited to wait for too long.
Well, you're in luck, because we're done with the deck. Check it out.
Wow, it's fantastic. Maui will admit that we are way cooler than he is.
We can start putting it all together now.
Sue, why are you putting those sticks there?
Oh, come on, buddy. It's obvious. To have something to sit on.
I'm not your buddy, Maui. He's such a know-it-all.
I know. Sue put those wooden sticks there in case we need to build a shelter if we suddenly land on a desert island.
I just need them to secure the deck.
Aha, that's exactly what I said.
What? Ugh, that's not even close to what you said. When will he finally leave?
Now, we need to do the same with the big boat. That's how we put it all together.
What is this? Interesting. Oh, I know. I am the night itself. I'm Bat Slime.
Whoa, is that a Batman costume? Awesome.
Wait, you like Batman too? Hey! Oh, come on. I don't look like Batman without a cloak, Sue.
Sammy, you can play Batman later, okay? And this will make great sails. I will only decorate it a little bit. It also needs to be secured well for it to catch the wind well.
Hey, Sam, check it out. This thing looks like a batarang. I can be like Batman, too.
Whoa, cool. And I can show you my super Batman moves.
Wow, amazing.
So, it looks like someone finally found some common ground. Sue, I've got something for you.
Thanks. And right about time. This will fix the sails right here.
I have another thing that will come in handy soon.
That's great. But first, I'll put the sails in place.
It looks like we're almost done here.
We are. Let me just secure this over here. So, why do we need it?
It will hold the ropes.
All aboard. Release the moorings. Where are they, by the way?
Oh, Sammy. Here, give me 1 second. Voila! Our boat is ready to sail. This boat will take you home safely, Moana.
Oh, thank you, Sue and Sam. This boat is just amazing.
Well, I guess this is it, my friend. It's time to say goodbye.
Promise me you'll call me soon. I'll be waiting. Bye-bye, friend. Take care.
I'll FaceTime you as soon as they get the internet to my island.
Thanks again, guys. Come visit us.
So, Moana, who's the coolest after all?
Sue and me.
Oh, I'm so glad that they will finally get home. They are great guys. Am I right, Sammy?
You're so right, Sue. I think I'm already missing Maui.
Friends, thanks for being with us today. I hope you enjoyed our craft. Like this video and subscribe so you won't miss out on our new videos.
See you all very soon, people. We love you. Bye-bye. Hey, wait a minute. Maui, come back. We still need to decide who's the coolest of all. Hey!